One trash. Where's your trash?
There's some like where we're planting, there's like lawn grass species on a plateau over there. The idea behind it is we're pushing those plants so that cold times we can come back and start planting pollinators.
Springtime, they're gonna plant some stuff over there. And next year, hopefully, there will be milk flowers growing for the monarch butterflies. My shoes is a mess. The grass is wet, but it was fun. It was a good workout. I met a couple people who are really invested in, like, you know, just nature in general and taking care of the ecosystem. It was really, really cool. Learning about new stuff. Guys, we are here! I can smell the saltiness of the water. Oh my god! It smells so good. The air tastes salty. I don't feel like I'm in Canada. Holy smokes. We drove how long? 10 hours? I'm not sure. I lost track of the time. We are in Tadoussac and Quebec. I just wanted to go like on a hike somewhere close to the ocean. Or like any body of water really. Then I just read some stuff. It says like whale watching. I was like, what? You can watch whales from here. But today is low tide. I don't know if you guys can see. So the water is basically very long or far. So yeah, that's why we're here, because we're gonna watch the whales. And there's also a boat, so they're doing like tours. You can take like a big boat and watch the whales from there. But I feel like I'm invading their space. The best experience would be to swim with them. But yeah, like someday if I see them, sure. If not, then maybe today's not the right day, it's not the right time. But I'm just happy, I'm excited. That little port right there is where I was earlier. And then I think that is the ferry towards there, where we crossed earlier. And now I'm overlooking them. So cool. I feel like I can just lay here all day and just like stare at all this stuff. I can see myself retiring on a boat. Just be in the boat and take care of my boat. Maybe be in the water. How would someone survive being in the water for like a month or even a week? But I feel like it's gonna be fun. I think I need to study first how to navigate a boat. where's your trash? Oh, nice. Wow. Look at the birthday girl doing God's work.